Let us go back to the PCBD to show that it is also possible to decompose actors and not only components. In our example, we will simply create two sub-actors, radio station antenna and radio station electronics, inside the radio station transmitter actor. We start by showing again the actor that we previously hid thanks to the Show Hide button available on the diagram toolbar. It opens a window showing diagram elements visibility. The radio station transmitter actor is unchecked because it has been hidden. We just have to check again the radio station transmitter to show it back in the diagram. We can resize it and move it to the bottom left of the diagram so as it is more visible. We can apply the same technique as shown previously for the components to obtain the wanted decomposition. And once again, we can check that we see these two sub-actors in the Project Explorer under the parent actor radio station transmitter. If we go back to the PAB diagram, we can insert the contained actors as we did for the contained behavior components by selecting this time the Insert Remove Actors button of the palette and clicking inside the radio station transmitter actor. Then we just have to move the Emit Radio Waves function inside the radio station antenna to obtain a refined version of the PAB. As it was the case for function breakdown diagrams, it is also possible to create partial component breakdown diagrams by selecting one component or actor in the Project Explorer and then applying a contextual command by right-click New Diagram, Physical Component Breakdown. The computed diagram will take the name of the chosen component or actor and be located under it in the Project Explorer. For instance, we can create one from the radio station transmitter actor. If we go back to the PAB diagram and select the radio electronics component, we can contextually create a partial CBD the same way by right-clicking New Physical Component Breakdown. Notice that in the partial CBD, the name of the root component or actor is always in bold.